Welcome to Visby, everyone. This beautiful seaside town sits on the island of Gotland in Sweden. Visby is the largest town on the island and it's famous for its perfectly preserved medieval architecture. You can only get here by ferry, cruise ship or regional flight, so come explore this hidden Scandinavian gem with us from the comfort of your sofa.
When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. It felt like suddenly our souls collided, hearts entwined. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going back. I know that's a fact.
Good morning, welcome to Sweden. We are in Visby on the island of Gotland. We've just done a bus tour because, to be honest, we didn't really know what there was to do here. We googled and it didn't really suggest anything, and then the drivers suggested, is it Osterport?
Yes.
Which basically it is the old town walls, and then through this little bit here there is the main city centre, so we thought we'll get off here, have a wander, see what we find. It's very pretty. It's everything that we imagine Sweden to be, I think. You know, pine forests, red houses, very, very pretty. I've just walked down this pretty little street and found the world's most terrifying sculpture garden. Look at this. I saw this out of the corner of my eye from over the other side, under a tree, just staring at me. I don't know what this is, but what I do know is I'm probably going to have nightmares about it for the rest of my life. The problem with Visby is that while it looks small, it's on a really steep hill and I have a heart patient for a dad, so we stopped for lunch instead. We stumbled upon this amazing Italian restaurant. Dad's got a lasagna, and I found the only Italian restaurant in the world that doesn't serve anything I'm allergic to. Grilled tuna, salsa verde, lemon risotto. Life is good. After lunch, we continued our walk through the beautiful old town. We did get a little bit lost when we got to the bottom of the hill, but we did find a park and a marina, so we can't complain. If you're lucky enough to visit Visby for yourself, I'd suggest allowing a few hours to walk through the old town. There are many tiny streets and alleyways to turn around, and curiosity is very much rewarded here. You'll be spoilt by incredible views as you explore. We made it back on board just in time for a very special sail away. Celebrity cruises invite a select group of guests to join them for a sail away on the helipad. I don't know what the criteria is for being invited. We kind of accidentally gate crashed as we were coming out of Copenhagen thinking it was a public thing, and then they invited us back for sailing away from Visby, so who knows? I don't know how you go about getting invited, but if you do get invited, make sure that you attend because it was an incredible experience. This is really weird lighting. We're at the Lawn Club Grill. We didn't come here last cruise. I wasn't sure about the menu, but so far I'm struggling to choose. So the starters are flatbread, so they're doing a gluten-free flatbread for me, which is really exciting. And then you go and pick your own salad, which, to be honest, after a week on a cruise ship, I'm really excited for the salad. And then I'm having red snapper for me, which is I've never had red snapper before, not that I know of, but I see it a lot on cruise ship menus, so I think it'll be good. We decided to try out the Lawn Club Grill for dinner. It's a specialty grill restaurant with an Italian twist. What's really special is it's on the top deck overlooking a real grass lawn. You'll find everything from pizzas and flatbreads to fresh seafood here, as well as a gourmet salad buffet, which controversially was my favourite part. For main course I had surf and turf and then cheesecake for dessert. I have no idea why, but we were the only table in the restaurant that evening, so we had a fun private dining experience.
And listen to the music of the night. Sing with me. I'm with you. Oh, I'm with you. Everything's
We just did We just did jam. Leave me alone, it's been a long day.
Jam donuts.
We've just done jam donut shots. Oh, and we did build a snowman. Meet. He doesn't have a name. What's his name? Quick. He's already lost an arm.
Oh no.
As we sat drinking our cocktails, we saw something out the corner of our eyes. It turned out we were sailing along the outskirts of a huge thunderstorm. It was really interesting to see from a distance, so we finished our drinks while watching the lightning, then headed to bed before another big day of exploring tomorrow. That's it for this instalment of our Baltic adventure. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time as we dock in the beautiful city of Tallinn.
When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. Felt like sudden